In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the playback speed on Facebook video. Let's start by opening Facebook. You can do this in a web browser on your computer or in the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're on your main feed so you can easily navigate to videos. Next, head to the section where Facebook shows you videos. This is often labeled as the videos or watch tab depending on your device and any recent updates. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the left-hand menu. On mobile, look for the play icon in the bottom navigation. This area is designed for browsing video content, so it's the easiest place to find something you want to watch. Now, play a video. Click or tap the video thumbnail to open it and press play if it doesn't start automatically. Keep in mind that playback speed options may not be available for every single video, and they typically won't appear on live streams. Regular on-demand videos are where you'll most consistently see the speed control. Once the video is playing, bring up the player controls. On a computer, move your mouse over the video. On mobile, tap the video once to reveal the controls. Look for the gear icon, which represents settings. This icon usually sits in the lower corner of the video player. If you don't see it right away, give the video a second to load and make sure the controls are visible. Click or tap the gear icon, then choose playback speed from the list of settings. This is where Facebook groups options like captions and quality, so you're in the right place if you see those items as well. From the playback speed menu, pick the speed that suits you. Common options include slower speeds like 0.5x or 0.75x, normal at 1x, and faster speeds such as 1.825x, 1.5x, or 2x. If you're trying to get through longer content efficiently, 1.25x or 1.5x is a great balance between speed and clarity. If you're watching a tutorial and want to catch every detail, 0.7x or 0.5x can help. As soon as you choose a speed, the video will immediately play at that setting. You don't need to save anything. If the audio sounds a bit odd at higher speeds, try stepping down to the next lowest option until it feels comfortable. You can change the speed again at any time by reopening the gear icon and adjusting it. Just remember, some videos may reset to normal speed when you switch to a different video or refresh the page, so it's worth checking the setting if it doesn't sound right. That's all there is to it. Enjoy watching Facebook videos at the pace that works best for you.